Is your Tenda Range Extender acting up? Maybe you forgot the password, it's not connecting properly, or you're getting ready to sell, or give it away. A factory reset is the best way to give it a fresh start. I'll show you exactly how to do it in less than a minute. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate Reset button. Now, let's find the Reset button. On almost every Tenda extender, it's a tiny, recessed button located on the top or in the side or back of the device. You'll see a small pinhole labeled Reset. Step 2. Perform Reset button. First, make sure the extender is plugged in and powered on. The lights should be on. Gently insert your paper clip into the Reset pinhole and press and hold Reset button for 10 seconds. Once you see that flash, you can release the button. The extender will now reboot itself. This might take a minute or two. Once it's fully back on and the lights have settled, the factory reset is complete. If this quick tutorial solved your problem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guides. Thanks for watching.